Good morning. Today's session we are going to see the math subject for grade 3. Previous session we discussed about the first lesson, shape around us. In this lesson we discussed about the solid shapes of edges, corners and flat shapes of diagonals, tessellation, tangram. I hope everyone or understood that concept clearly. Okay, so now we start to discuss the next lesson, numbers up to 4 digit. In this lesson you already learned in the second standard itself. So what we discussed in the previous year, we have to know already you learned that places, place value and spike abacus. Okay, so but in the 3 digit, okay, but in the third standard you are going to learn the 4 digit numbers. Okay, 4 digit numbers. Have you all listened the class? Yes. Okay. So see this topic. So this is the first part in the second lesson. So in the first part we have to discuss the two topics, thousands, places and beats. Second topic, represent the 4 digit in the spike abacus and the place value chart. Okay, now all of you take your studio, page number 25. Those who not have the studio, no problem. Take your notebook, write the activity number and activity name with page number. You have to write the content in the notebook itself. Okay? Yes. Before we enter the lesson, first we have to recall that beats. So already you know that. So this is the representation for 100 place. Very good. So this one is the vertical beats. Okay, vertical beats means this is a represent for tens. So next one is a single beats. Single beats is a represent for ones. So this is a ones beats, tens beats, this is the 100 beats. Okay, in this lesson we are going to learn the one more places, that is thousands place. What is it? Thousands place. Now I am going to show the thousands beats. Yeah, listen. So the single beats represent the ones place, the vertical beads, okay, vertical beads it's made represent the tens place, the square beads means the 10 string of tens beads. Okay, so see, you have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 tens beads it's made of 100. Okay, this is a 100 representation, square shape. Okay, so next one is the thousands beads. So this is the thousands beads. Thousands beads means 10 hundreds it's made up of 1000 beads. Okay, it's a cube shape, that is the cube shape. So cube shapes is represent the thousands place. Okay, so this is a thousands place, it's a representation in beads. Next in hundreds place, tens place is a ones place. Okay, so now we understood that representations of thousands, hundreds, tens, ones place in beads. Okay, you have any doubt? Okay, now we have to enter the lesson. So this is the next lesson, second lesson in this studio, numbers up to 4 digits. So here we have the big question, how big can a number be? Okay, this is the overview part. Overview means what we are going to learn in this lesson, that is the overview. Explore the value of each digit in a number, compare the numbers and arrange them in an order. Okay, so next is the key question. What is the value depicted by a number? Okay, it's a key question. So what is the value of a number? So that number occupied the some place. According to the place we have to find that number value. Okay, so next one is the PEP activity 2.1. So listen carefully. A shopkeeper has packed beads as shown in the figure 1. Write the number of ones, tens and hundreds in the space provided. Fill the blank. Write the number format. Okay, so I told you. So the square shape of beads represent the 100 place. Okay, you know very well. Okay, so how many 100 beads here? 1, 2. All of you count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many 100 beads? 900 beads. Write the 9 in which place? 100 place. Okay. So next. So this vertical beads represent which place? Yes, very good. That is tens place. So shall we count how many tens beats are there? Yeah. Now all of you count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many tens beats? 9. Where I write the 9? In tens place or ones place? Very good. Tens place. So next is the single beats. Okay, now I ask one question. So single beats represent the which place? Very good. That is ones place. Now all of you count the how many ones beats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the ones beats also 9. Okay, write 9 in ones place. So how we read this number? 999. So you already know very well the 3 digit is made up of 100 tens ones. 100 tens 1. So the number format we have to write. Okay, that is 999. Okay, so write these things in your studio. Okay, those who not have the studio, take the notebook, write these things in the notebook itself. Okay. Okay, you have any doubt in the paper activity? So what we learnt in that paper activity? How many tens beats? If I give the beats in the hundreds and tens ones place means you can write the numbers. Okay, you can write the numbers given for the given beats. Okay, so shall we see the next one? Yeah. So next page number 26. Let us add one more beat to the figure 1 and see what happens. So each places we have to add one beats. Let us also write the new number that is formed by adding the single beats. Now we have to add single beats to the ones place. Already it is 9. Now I am going to add 1 means what will happen? It's a 10. So tens means we have to make a 10 single beats. I mean the vertical beats it will change. Okay, see the next place. So already it is a single beats, 9 is there. If now I am going to add 1, so what will happen? So totally 10 beats. So 10 beats it's made up of a one vertical beats. Or there and 10 single beats, they can be combined to form a string of 100. What is a string of 100? So 10 single beats combined to form the string of 100. So string of 10. Okay, string of 10 means that is a represent the place tens place. Okay, so again this tens place I am going to add in the tens place. Tens beats going to add to the tens place. This leave us with no single beats. Now we not have the no single beats. Okay, we have the 10 strings of tens which can be grouped as the sheet of 100. So already we have the 10 tens in paper activity. Now I am going to add one more 10 to the tens place means what will happen? So totally we have the 10 strings of tens beats. So we already know 10 strings of tens beats means it's made up of 100 beats. So that is a 100 beats. Okay, so finally now we not have the 10 strings. Okay, so now we have only 100 beats only. So again this 100 beats I am going to add to the 100s to the 10 100 beats. Counting the number of hundreds, we have the 10 hundreds. So now we arrange these 10 sheets of 100. So 10 sheets of hundreds are shown. It forms the cube of the 1000. See, in the paper activity already we have the 900 beats. Finally I'm going to add the one more 100 beats. So what will happen? Totally how many 100 beats? 10 sheets of hundreds. So 10 sheets of hundreds it's form a 1000 beats. The 10 sheets of hundreds forms a 1000 sheets. So 1000 beats. So 1000 beats means it look like a cube model. Okay, cube shape. So on the place value chart, a thousands is represent as thousands beats 1. Now we not have the tens 100 beats 0, tens 0, ones 0. Okay, you have any doubt? Yes. Next page number 27. The number 1000 is written as 1000. It has, so first, as I told you, whenever you see any 3-digit number, you have to write the places. The same concept we have to apply in 4-digit also. First you have to write the places. 100 tens, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay, so thousands is represent the capital T and small h. So this is the short form for thousand. Okay, now we have to write how many thousands beats. How many thousands beats? I mean what number in thousand place? 1. So write these things in your notebook itself down. 1. So how many 100 beats? No. 0. How many tens beats? No. 0. How many ones beats? 0. Okay. Look at the beats in the figure to fill in the given place value chart. So see here what is the representation for the given beats? It's a representation for thousands. Next one, this square beats represent 100. The string of this vertical beats represent tens. The single beats ones. Very good. So now we have to write the number in the place value chart for the given beats. Okay, first you write how many thousands beats. Thousand means what is the representation? What is the shape? Very good. That is cube. Cube representation is represent the thousands place. How many thousands beats? 2. You have to write 2. How many 100 beats? Very good. That is 3. Okay. How many tens beats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. How many single beats? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 single beats. Okay. So this is the example for if I give the beats means you can write the number in the place value chart. Okay, so next this is the number representation. The number is written as 2357. Okay, it has dash thousands and dash hundreds and dash tens and ones. So I told you whenever you see any 4-digit number you should write the places. Capital letter you have to use it. Okay. Yes. How many thousands? 2000. How many hundreds beats? 300 beats. How many tens beats? 5. How many ones beats? 7. Okay. So you have any doubt? Yes. Okay. So see the next one. It might be difficult to draw the cube. Okay. If you feel to draw the cube for the thousands place for representing a number, we have the another method. What is that method? Shall we see that? Yes. If might be difficult to draw the cube every time to represent a number, an easier way to represent the number is on the spike abacus. I know you already know very well what is spike abacus. How will you use it spike abacus? Yes. So figure 3 shows the number 2357 represent on the spike abacus. Okay, so see the next one. Yes, what is the name of the abacus? That is the spike abacus. Okay, so you know how to draw the beats in the given space. Okay, 2. If 2 in thousands place means you have to draw the 2 places. So before you have to write the places, Kana. Then it is easy to draw the beats for the given places. Okay, so 2 in thousand place you have to draw the 2 beats. 3 in 100 place, 5 in tens place you have to draw the 5 beats. Okay, 7 in ones place. So this is the way you have to draw the beats for the given number. Okay, you have any doubt? Shall we see the next activity? Yes. So next one activity is the hands-on activity 2.2. So what you have to do means you have to draw the beats for the given number. So read the questions. What we have to do it in the activity. Represent the numbers. What is that? Represent the number by drawing the beats on the spike abacus and fill the place value chart. Okay. So very easy activity. So listen my instruction. Okay. They given a number. Okay. How many digit? 4 digit. Okay, so first step you have to write the places down. Okay, that is very important. You should write the places first. Okay, with capital letter. So see, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Second step, you have to draw the beats in the spike abacus. So first you have to start it from ones place. So what number is there in ones place? 7. So you have to draw the beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So next one, tens place. What number? 5. So you have to draw the 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is 100. So 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next thousandth place 1. Okay, so this is the way you have to draw the beads in the spike abacus. So next step, you have to write the number in the place value chart. So it is very easy. So how many beads in the one spike? It's a 7. Next one in 5, in tens place. In 100 place, it's 6. 1000th place, 1. So this is the way you have to write the answers in that activity. Okay, so first step you have to write the places, then you have to draw the beads, last you have to write the number in the place value chart. Okay, so in this activity we have the few questions. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5. So totally remaining we have the 5 questions. Okay, you have any doubt? Okay, so next questions I have to do, listen carefully. So next one, so see the first step, you have to write the places. Okay, second step, you have to draw the beads. So you have to start it from ones place. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next 8 in tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 4 in 100 place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 3 in 1000 place. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next. So already we written the place values, I mean places in the number. So you have to see the questions and write the answers in the place value chart. So ones place, what number is there? 9. Tens place 8. 100 place 4. Thousands place 3. Okay, so this is a way you have to represent the number in the spike abacus and the place value chart. I hope it is very easy for you. Okay, yes. So shall we see the next one? Yes. So see some 1761. Okay, this is the way you have to read the 4-digit number. Okay, 1761. Can I listen? So first step, you have to write the places. Whenever you see any 4-digit number, you should write the places with a capital letter. Okay, second step, you have to draw the beads in the spike abacus. In tens place 6 beads. In 100 place 7 beads. Okay, in thousands place 1 beads. Okay, after that you have to write that number in the place value chart. 1 in ones place, 6 in tens place, 100 place 7, 1 in thousands place. Okay, so 3 questions I written the answer. Remaining 3 you have to write that answer individually. You have to write the answer for the remaining 3 sums. Okay, so remaining D and E, F. So you have to represent the number in the spike abacus and the place value chart. So the 3 you have to write the answer on. Okay. So next we have the 2 more questions in that hands-on activity. So this is a partner activity because we are in the home. So you have to write the answer your own. Just imagine if you are doing this activity in the partner means how will you write the answer how will you give the answer for the 2 questions? How did you and your partner help each other in the complete this task? Did you and your partner use the kind words? So what are the kind words you have to use it? Okay, that you have to write. Okay, yes. So next we see that next activity. Look at the following pictures. Write the number and its words form for each one has been done for you. So in that question they given the spike abacus and also they given the places. Or here we have to write the number form and the word form. Okay, so this question answer they one has been done for you. Okay, so remaining 2 we have to do it. Listen, so they given a spike abacus, so we have to write the place value chart and then number form and the word form. So 3 things we have to do. What are the things means? They represent the 4-digit number in the spike abacus. We have to represent that number in the place value chart and then number form, last in the word form. Okay, listen. So any beads in the ones place? No. So that you have to represent in 0. So in tens place 0. In 100 place 0. So in thousands place, you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7,000 place. So this is a representing place value chart. Okay, number form means that just you have to write the number alone. That is the number format. Okay. So next box you have to write the word form. Word form means 7,000. So THOUSAND 7,000. Okay. So next one, third one. Okay, in the any beats in the ones place? No, 0. Any beats in the tens place? 0. 100 place? 0. So in thousand place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally we have the 9,000 place. So this is the representation for the number in the place value chart. So next we have to write the number format. Okay, number format means just simply you have to write the number alone. Okay, next box we have to write the word form. Okay, 9,000s. Okay, so here we have the home fund, that is companion 2A. So in companion page number 9, the activity 2A. So what we given on the question, count the number of beads and write the number its form. One has been done for you. So the first question they given answer. Okay, so remaining questions you have to write the number alone. So how many thousands beats, how many hundreds, tens, ones beats, you have to write the number alone. Okay, I think it is easy for you. Okay, so how many thousands beats? One answer. How many 100 beats? 1, 2, 3. So the square representation is 100 beats. The cube represents 1000 beats. The vertical string it represents the tens beats. The single beats represent the ones place. Okay. So remaining 3 questions. I think you have to write the 3 questions answer in this boxes. Just write the answer alone. Okay. After write that number, you should write the places down. Thousands, hundred, tens, ones. Okay. You have any doubt in the home fund? See, those who not have this companion, write these things in the notebook and write the answer in notebook itself. Others you have to write the answer in the companion itself. Kana. Okay. Now we come to the end of this session. Okay. Now I am going to conclude this session with the quick recap. So in this session we learned the thousands beats. Okay, thousands beats. The cube represent as the thousands beats. Okay, and also how to represent the 4-digit number in the place value chart and the spike abacus. Okay, and the spike abacus. If we give the 4-digit means you can represent that 4-digit in that spike abacus and also the place value chart. Okay, so that is a hands-on activity. In case if I give the spike abacus with the beats means you can represent that number in the place value chart, number format and the word format. Okay, so the 2 concepts we discussed in this session. I hope you are enjoyed this session. Thank you.